fielder spent 2 of his 12 major league seasons in a Tiger uniform. They were 2 successful seasons, but poor performances in the postseason soured his time in Detroit. Today, Fielder announced his retirement from baseball after being declared medically disabled due to the spinal fusion surgeries he's had over the past few years. And Fielder, he just couldn't hold the tears back.
Doctors told me since, 2 spinal fusions, I gotta, can't play Major League Baseball anymore. So I just want to thank my teammates, all the coaching staff. I'm really miss being around those guys because, a lot of fun, and I just been in the big league clubhouse since I was, their age. So it's, to not be able to play is going to be tough.
The 40-man roster in 2013 and made the big leagues in 14.
Lorenzen with a shot to right field, carrying well, home run, Michael Lorenzen. First pitch he sees here in the bottom of the 7th. And it is 9-1 Reds. First career home run for Lorenzen. First Reds pitcher to hit a home run this year. 9-1 Cincinnati.
Boy, a very emotional trip around the bases for Michael Lorenzen.
Fans want him to come out for a curtain call.
And he lets one into right field. Could it be? Could it be? It is a grand slam for Tony Womack. If there is one player of all the players to hit a grand slam on this Father's Day, and you see Tony Womack, very emotional, tears in his eyes. He lost his father a little more than 3 weeks ago. He's crying. Yep.
Nice curveball. Throws hard. And a nice big hand for Wilmer Flores as he comes to bat. Most of these fans know that Wilmer's about to get traded. And social media being such these days, everybody knows what the situation is. It's a little odd that Wilmer's still in the game. But the fans giving him a nice send-off here. Ground to him right at the shortstop, Amarista. And Flores retired 2 out.
Never want to get traded. The first trade is always the most difficult. That had to be a very difficult at bat for him.
Well, he's been in this organization since he was 16 years old. But it's got to be strange for the other guys in the dugout too, right? You've got a player who's been in your organization for 7 years, who you valued, who you are trading clearly to bring back an important asset. And the fact that he's out there and risking injury at a time when you're trying to consummate the trade is strange in itself. But for him to be that emotional and out on the field just strikes me as odd.
Well, this is a business part of the game, Gary, and it can be heartless and unsympathetic. I am not one to, provide a towel to cry on one's shoulder, but I feel for Wilmer. I know exactly what he's going through.
Well, this was after Wilmer Flores came off the field in the top of the inning. Terry Collins went over to him, and he had a rather lengthy heart-to-heart with Wilmer, and I don't know exactly what's being communicated here, but clearly Terry is concerned about what has happened here tonight, with Flores having spent the last 4 or 5 innings in limbo, with the world believing that he's been traded to Milwaukee, but the deal not yet consummated. It's led to tears for Wilmer Flores, and once the conversation was over, he took his equipment, headed down the tunnel, and it looks as though he is not going to take an at bat if his turn comes up here in the ninth. So it appears the Mets career of Wilmer Flores, at least for the moment, has come to an end. David Wright following Wilmer down the tunnel, and of course, David will have the right things to say.
How's this for drama?
just perfection. Tears and cheers. That gentleman didn't think he was going to get emotional when he saw Andy Pettitte and Derek Jeter come to get him. Everything came to the surface, Kenny.
Yeah, it did. He's saved more games for Pettitte than any other pitcher. I know this. He's going to be one tough act to follow.